How to use Crypto.com easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to get started with Crypto.com. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you're just going to type in Crypto.com to download this wallet onto your account. So we're just going to type in crypto. Just going to search this on your mobile phone, on your other devices. And once you do that, so you're just going to search for Crypto.com on your mobile phone and you're going to see this application pop up over here. You can download this on your iOS or Android devices. That is totally up to you. And what you're going to do is you're just going to download this and click on open over here. And this will open up the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. So this is basically a DeFi platform that allows you to manage and store your account or account transactions or your wallet or your currency. So over here, you're going to click on create a new wallet if you don't already have one, and then you're going to agree to their terms of service. Then you are going to create a passcode. So we're just going to enter any passcode that you want to make sure that it is the passcode. So you're just going to go on ahead and create a passcode like this, and then you can also choose to enable Face ID over here. So now on your Crypto.com wallet, you can enable Face ID as well, and that is a step that they would recommend to keep the security of your wallet, as well as two-factor authentication. So if you are using a device that does not have Face ID, then I would recommend that you turn on two-factor authentication to make sure that your assets or your wallet is safe. Now, moving forward, you're actually going to go on ahead and you can click on Backup My Recovery Phrase and create a recovery phrase reminder. So after that, you can also go on ahead and choose your wallet name, and then you're going to continue, and then you can just choose your avatar, and then after that you're going to click on confirm. And then you're just going to go on ahead and this is going to be your wallet. So on your wallet, you can click on your wallet over here, see the basic information about your wallet. You can connect it to the Crypto.com app for you to begin transferring funds and purchasing crypto from the application. And then you can also manage your tokens, view your transaction history, and have your basic currency displays and language settings. Now, below that, you also have a very important setting in your account section. That is your network setting. So the default network is always going to be Manet, but if you want to work on a different network, then you can go on ahead and change that. So we're working primarily on the actual Manet Ethereum network. Now you can see this is going to be your wallet over here. So on your wallet, you have send, and you can go on ahead and purchase any kind, you can send any kind of token to any other wallet. And then you also have receive and buy. So if you click on buy over here, you can click on connect to Crypto.com application, and then you're going to connect Jane Doe to the Crypto.com application, and then you're just going to send your connection email. So you're just going to go on ahead and input your email over here. And then once you do that, you will get an instruction in your email so you can go on ahead and purchase crypto on your crypto wallet. Now, after that, you also have receive options. So you can go on ahead and you can search for any kind of token that you want. So whatever token you want, you can begin receiving it. You can enter the token address, symbol, and decimals as well. And then below that, you have your token management. So you can manage all of your tokens from here. Then in your bottom, on the bottom of your screen, you're going to find your NFT section as well. So you can go on ahead and skip the tutorial, but you can see you have NFTs, all of your NFTs over here. You can click on receive NFTs to receive an NFT into your account. Then you also have the browser section where you can browse different things related to crypto or DeFi. So you have things like DEX platforms, lending marketplaces, and other NFTs as well. Then you also have Chronos D apps that you can view, and you also have saved articles, or you can favorite out certain information or certain things you want to keep a track of, things you want to be updated on, and you can favorite those, and those would be added to your saved list, and you can view them easily as soon as you want. Now, moving on to the next section of Crypto.com, you have the swap section. So From over here, you can trade your cryptocurrency. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the initial currency that you have that you want to change from. So let's say you have whatever token that you have, you're going to select that token, and then you're going to select the second token, which is the token that you will receive in that exchange. So let's say you want to get Solana, and then you can enter whatever amount that you want, and then you can trade it as well, and they will show you the overall conversion that you're getting. You can see the overall USD amount as well, estimation of the USD prices as well. Then you also have bridge, so you can also bridge from crypto.org to Kronos Beta, or you can also bridge into Cosmos, let's say, whatever blockchain you want to use. So you can move tokens from a certain blockchain that you are working on. Let's say, obviously, if you're using this wallet, you are going to be using their default blockchain. Then you can go on ahead and select a different blockchain. You're going to be using Kronos Beta, so you can choose Cosmos instead, and then you can enter the crypto tokens that you want to send to the other blockchain, and then move those specific tokens onto the other blockchain. So this enables you to have a variability and store your tokens on multiple blockchains. Then you also have the earn section where you can earn crypto tokens. So you can see over here you have stable coins, you have the Kronos ecosystem, and you can do multiple things to earn tokens. You can click on earn now. You can go on ahead and take a look at the different yields for certain tokens for you to begin earning on this platform as well, although it is not something that most people would recommend. Now, on your top right, you actually have your ETH gas meter, so you can see how you want your network to be set up. Let's say you want to make a transaction when the gas fees are low. You're waiting for that moment, but you can't sit around. So you can go on ahead and take a look at the estimated gas fee for a slow transaction and a fast transaction. So it's differing by 1 gwei. Gwei is the unit of measurement for gas fee, and you can set up by gas price, and you can set up a alert. So maybe when the gas fees are 12 gwei, then you want a alert because you want to mint your NFTs at that time. So this will enable you to get alerts at the gas fee, which will enable you to optimize your NFT listings and optimize your transactions as well as moving on to a different platform. Let's say you were changing from one blockchain to the other blockchain, you would be paying the Ethereum gwei or gas fees for the blockchain switch as well. So you can get alerts at certain prices. So let's say when the price reaches 13 gwei, I want to an alert, so you can just click on confirm, click on allow notifications, and then allow the platform to send you notifications whenever the gas fees reach that certain amount. So this is another added bonus of using the crypto.com platform to your advantage. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with the crypto.com wallet. Now make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this platform or crypto or anything regarding DeFi or crypto, make sure to ask in the comment box down below. We would love to help you guys out, and make sure to check out our other videos on other crypto wallets as well as the benefits of some of the other wallets such as Trust Wallet, because Trust Wallet enables you to get the best crypto exchange prices. That is one feature that I do find is lacking in crypto.com. However, with each platform there are certain benefits and there are certain things you might find lacking, so make sure to check other videos out to make sure that you are getting the best crypto wallet for your needs, and I will catch you guys in the next video.